This 3-bedroom brick veneer home is on top of the hill here in Greystanes on a 556 square metre block and is perfect for you to renovate or maybe even build your dream home. This could be the home that you could renovate, live in for a little bit and maybe build your dream home later, or potentially it could be an investment or maybe your first home. This really has the benefit of going up another level to capture that city aspect. If you'd like to know more information or book an inspection, contact the Star Partners team. Reach out to us today.